Hello everyone. Have you ever had a problem where you are trying to draw an arrow on some guide, but you have a problem? Your arrow is not really beautiful, your arrow is not thick enough. I can show you how to solve that problem easily using draw.io. First you go to draw.io, then you click on create new diagram. You can create blank diagram. Click create. You can use root folder or select the folder you want. Now let's say I want to put this image into the draw.io and draw an arrow in it. So we can copy the image. I see it's copied to clipboard and paste the image using Ctrl+V command. We can use the actual size, and here is the image. You can scroll it out. Now if you want to draw an arrow, you simply select the arrow. Now you can see the arrow is on your image, but the arrow might not be in where you actually want it to be. So for this you need to click the Alt key, and let's say I want it to point to the chat window. I first click on the end, click Alt key, and now I can move the arrow however I want. Then if I want to move the other end, I click again on it, click first hold it. It first snaps on some points, but if I click the Alt key I can move it however I want. Now I can see the arrow was drawn, but it is not filled. I click on the fill point and I can select red or color or whatever I want. I can make the sides thicker, and this is a very nice arrow. Now if I want to save the file, I go to the file menu, click on export as, select PNG or JPEG. I click PNG, export it, and now I saved it. And here is the image with an arrow. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe and check out my blog with the link in the description.